Hi friends, today we are going to see about Warehouse Management tab under WMS menu bar. Under Warehouse Management, we have this option Manage Warehouse. Clicking that will enable the basic details of our warehouses. So here for Junagar, name of the warehouses, address, category of warehouse, contact number, buffer. This is regarding weighbridge, which we will be seeing in detail inside, and other things. These are all the things. This will be updated by the service engineer who is visiting the depot. But in case when there is any change in the data, you can update under actions update. So clicking this will enable us to view the general information of our warehouse, and the data can be verified. If you want to do any changes, the same can be done. Latitude and longitude. The need for updating latitude, longitude, and how to update latitude and longitude is all discussed in another separate tutorial. You can verify the same. And additional information such as warehouse registration date and warehouse registration number. These two tabs are still under construction. So the data which is entered here doesn't reflect after updating. So next will be bank information of your particular warehouses and area information, constructed date. This is also still under construction. This tab is not working fully, and opening time, closing time, everything can be updated. Covered area, open area, this is given in square meter. So generally we have our area in MT. So in order to convert MT into square meter, you can use the formula 1 square meter is equal to 6 divided by 10.76 into 1 MT. So in case of Junagar, we have 30,300 MT. So 30,300 MT is equal to 16,895.9 square meter. Rounded off to nearest integer, we mentioned as 16,896. And other information such as number of gates, distance from RO, whether it is general warehouse or custom bonded warehouse, buffer weighbridge if it is available, then yes, otherwise no. Everything can be updated here. So after entering the data, you click update. And this tab license renewal is for renewal. If you can add any due dates which is nearby, like license renewals, fire extinguisher renewal. We believe this is for that. Add warehouse renewal, warehouse license type, moisture meter calibration, fire extinguisher recharging. All this data can be updated here. So after updating, you can click save. And this is what warehouse management tab is all about. Thank you friends.